Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use DataNumen SQL Recovery to recover corrupt SQL Server databases. When your SQL Server database files are corrupt or damaged and you cannot access the data in the databases normally, you can use DataNumen SQL Recovery to scan the database files and recover as much data from them as possible. Note: before recovering any corrupt or damaged database files with DataNumen SQL Recovery, please close any other applications that may modify the database files. First, start DataNumen SQL Recovery. Second, select the corrupt or damaged MDF database file to be recovered. You can input the MDF file name directly or click the Browse button to browse and select the file. You may also click the Find button to find the MDF file to be recovered on the local computer. Third, if there are one or multiple NDF files associated with the corrupt MDF file, then you can add them as well. Fourth, if you know the format of the source MDF file, then you can specify it. If you do not specify the format, then by default, DataNumen SQL Recovery will try to analyze the source MDF file and determine the format automatically. Fifth, by default, DataNumen SQL Recovery will save the fixed database as a new file. For example, for source MDF file damaged.mdf, the default name for the fixed database file will be damaged_fixed.mdf. If you want to use another name, then please select or set it accordingly. You can input the fixed file name directly or click the Browse button to browse and select the fixed file. Next, click the Start Recovery button. DataNumen SQL Recovery will prompt a Connect to SQL Server dialog box like this. You need to set the server name and authentication for the SQL Server instance on the local or remote computer. Then click the OK button. Then DataNumen SQL Recovery will start scanning and recovering the source database file. Progress bar will indicate the recovery progress. After the recovery process, if the source database file can be recovered successfully, you will see a message box like this. Finally, you can start SQL Server Management Studio and access the data in the recovered database. If you like more information, please visit datanumen.com/SQL-recovery.